Gehrig, one of America's most phenomenal baseball players, set many records and was acclaimed for his sporting talent and physical endurance. He held the record for playing the most consecutive games by any baseball player for a staggering 56 years. At the peak of his phenomenal career, however, he started noticing changes in his on-field performance. He was less swift, more easily fatigued, and had less endurance than what he was famed to possess. On June 19, 1939, his 36th birthday, Lou was diagnosed as having ALS. Amyotrophic Lateral Sclerosis, abbreviated as ALS, is a degenerative disease of the nervous system causing gradual loss of the body's motor neurons, the cells relaying signals from the brain to the muscles. This results in progressive paralysis and muscle wasting that eventually culminates in death, mostly due to respiratory problems. It is a debilitating illness that, despite its rarity, has afflicted many famous personalities, including renowned physicist Stephen Hawking, actor David Niven, and Sesame Street creator Jon Stone. In 2016, the disease was estimated to affect 33,918 people worldwide, with 3,448 patients from Pakistan. The exact cause of ALS is not known, and we do not yet know why it strikes some people and not others. ALS affects 2 out of every 100,000 people worldwide. Findings from biomedical studies suggest that both genetics and the environment play a role in the development of ALS. 90% of the time, the disease starts out of the blue and is therefore sporadic. Only in 10% of cases may the patient have a positive family history for this disease. Such patients would then require genetic testing. All these mechanisms ultimately result in the loss of motor neurons, resulting in progressive weakness. The disease typically begins at the age of 58 to 60 years and has an average duration of survival of just 3 to 4 years. But Stephen Hawking lived for an extraordinary 55 years with ALS. His example shows us that ALS cannot stop a man determined to live his life to the best of his potential. The complexity of ALS has not hampered efforts towards gaining a deeper understanding of the disease. Currently, significant research is directed towards breaking down the causes and processes involved in ALS, and it's possible that these efforts might one day yield a definitive treatment. Till then, however, ALS remains a neuroscience mystery, waiting to be solved.